Affiliate marketing offers a promising opportunity to generate passive income, but it is not without its challenges. Success in this field demands strategic planning, a focus on creating value, and consistent effort to build a sustainable income stream. By implementing the right strategies, you can lay the groundwork for long-term success in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be an effective way to generate passive income, but it requires strategic planning and consistent effort. In this video, we'll explore key tactics to help you develop a more passive income flow, from building a strong foundation to leveraging multiple platforms and optimizing for search engines. Here are some key strategies to help you create a more passive income stream through affiliate marketing. Build a strong foundation, create valuable content. The cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing is producing high-quality, evergreen content that provides value to your audience. This content should naturally incorporate affiliate products or services that align with your niche. Develop a niche website or blog. Focus on a specific niche or topic that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This allows you to attract a targeted audience interested in the products you're promoting. Diversify your affiliate strategies, product reviews and comparisons. Create in-depth, honest reviews and comparisons of products within your niche. These can continue to generate affiliate income long after they're published. Resource pages. Develop comprehensive resource pages that list recommended tools, products, or services. These pages can serve as evergreen content that continues to drive affiliate sales. Email marketing. Build an email list and create automated email sequences that provide value and strategically promote affiliate products. Leverage multiple platforms. Video content. Utilize platforms like YouTube to create product reviews, tutorials, and informative content that incorporates affiliate links. Video content can have a long lifespan and continue to generate income over time. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok to share content and affiliate links, potentially reaching a wider audience. Optimize for search engines. SEO. Implement strong search engine optimization practices to ensure your content ranks well for relevant keywords, driving organic traffic to your affiliate links over time. Automate and streamline. Use link management tools. Employ link management tools to track, manage, and optimize your affiliate links across various platforms. Implement retargeting. Set up retargeting campaigns to re-engage visitors who have shown interest in your content or affiliate products. Focus on long-term relationships. Choose quality products, partner with reputable companies, and promote products you genuinely believe in. This builds trust with your audience and can lead to repeat sales. Cultivate relationships with affiliate managers. Building strong relationships can lead to better commission rates and exclusive deals. Regular content updates, performance monitoring, and strategy adjustments are typically necessary to maintain and grow your income over time. The key is to create systems and content that continue to work for you long after the initial effort has been invested. While affiliate marketing has the potential to generate passive income, it's important to note that truly passive income in affiliate marketing is rare. Regular content updates, performance monitoring, and strategy adjustments are typically necessary to maintain and grow your income over time. Affiliate marketing requires consistent effort and ongoing strategy adjustments along the way and are essential for long-term success. By focusing on producing valuable content, optimizing your efforts across platforms, and cultivating strong relationships with reputable affiliate partners, you can create systems that continue to generate income well into the future. Although the process requires dedication, the rewards of creating a self-sustaining affiliate marketing business are well worth the effort.